How to use Smart View feature on your S23 Ultra or S24 Ultra with Android 14 One UI 6.0. And I'll show you how to connect your phone to your Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is find the Smart View feature. Okay, you can use the quick panel access, look for it to the bottom with One UI 6.0, it's down there. A single tap will take you to these settings here. And if it's your first time, go with continue. Also give permission to these settings such as location and nearby devices. You'll have to press continue in order to proceed. Once you've done that, you'll notice your computer name will show up on your phone and you'll tap on it. You'll see the mirror screen option. Press start now and you will see this prompt appear to the bottom right of your Windows 11 computer. Okay, you can choose allow once or always. And once you've made that selection, just press OK and it should start the screen mirror. And of course, it will show that it's connecting. It's about to project and you should have your phone screen displayed onto your Windows 11 computer. Just give it a few seconds, it will process and then it'll be all set and ready to go, okay? Now, the next thing is I want you to do is make sure your auto rotate is enabled so that if you go into landscape mode, your screen will be also in landscape mode on the phone and on the Windows 11 computer screen itself, okay? And you should have this right here, for example, like that there, okay? So you'll be able to see exactly it both on the screen and on the phone itself, okay? Now to disconnect, you'll notice this little floating icon here. You'll just tap on that, you'll just press disconnect and it's gonna remove. So for those of you who didn't make it to this part, you weren't able to connect, check your Windows 11 settings, which you wanna go ahead and type in the words projecting settings or projecting to this PC. Just go ahead and type that in, you'll see the suggestion. Click on it once, and I want you to check this part here to the top where it says launch the wireless display. If it doesn't say that, you'll probably need to install it, which you'll search for it in the search box and run it, install it, come back here, make sure it's all set to available everywhere. Every time a connection is requested, turn that little switch right here so that it could be visible to nearby devices. Once you have all that set, you can launch the wireless display settings or do it from the Smart View. Like and sub.